So we're going to go over the basic chords in the key of D major. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then you'll be back to D. First chord is D major. We're going to play it open. Second chord is a minor, E minor. Third chord is a F sharp minor. You can also bar that one. Fourth chord is G. Fifth chord is A. Sixth chord is B minor. Seventh chord is C sharp diminished. That's a hard one. Every one of these chords is going to work great together. You could probably think of several songs that are all in this key if you just start strumming through and putting them together. Here's the minor chords together. And the major chords together. If you're improvising, a simple thing you could do is use the D pentatonic. B minor pentatonic is going to work. If you want to know some more major key chords that fit together, go to kevinjpino.com. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment and the description. Give you a free printout to help you get started. If not, you can just click on the video on the screen. That's going to be another key. There's a whole series of videos linked down below. Or just keep following the rabbit hole. See you in the next video.